Hello, good morning. My name is Reynaldi Munjaitsari. Today I'm going to show you about the procedure of vital signs.
What is vital signs? Vital signs are a way to detect any change in the body system. The four main vital signs routinely monitored by medical professionals and healthcare providers include the following: blood pressure and body temperature. What is the purpose of vital sign? The first, to determine the range of body temperature. The second, to know the pulse, rhythm, frequency, and strength. And the third, to assess the ability of the cardiovascular. What is the blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the wall of arteries. Pressure is determined by the strength and the amount of blood pump, and the size and flexibility of the artery. According to the WHO, the limit of normal blood pressure is 120/80 until 140/90 mmHg. And then, if the systolic is more than 140 and diastolic is more than 90 mmHg, then it is called hypertension. And if the systolic is less than 120 and diastolic is less than 80 mmHg, it is called hypotension. The equipment to measure blood pressure is sphygmomanometer, stethoscope, pen, and notes. Part of sphygmomanometer are inflation valve, air release valve, manometer, arm cuff, stethoscope. And part of stethoscope is binaural, ear tips, binaural spring, latex-free PVC tubbing, bell, and drum.
Hi, my name is Nurse Reynaldi. What's your name, sir?
My name is Budi.
Okay, Mr. Budi. Today we have a blood pressure check. Are you ready?
Yes.
Step 4. Roll up the patient sleeve and identify the pulse using index, middle, and ring finger on radial side. Step 5. Attach the cup on the patient upper arm and attach the manometer on the cup in line with the patient heart. Step 6. Put on the earpiece of stethoscope and check the diaphragm of stethoscope. Step 7. Slide the diaphragm of stethoscope and lock the valve and put the index, middle, and ring finger on the radial side. Step 8. Pump the rubber valve until the pulse on radial side can be felt. Step 9. Unlock the valve slowly and listen to first beat. If you hear the first beat, this is systolic, and when you hear the last beat, this is diastolic. Repeat the procedure if you can hear the beating sound. Step 10. Put off the earpiece of stethoscope and take the diaphragm under the cup on brachial. Step 11. Take the manometer on the cup and open the cup from the patient upper arm. Ask the patient to roll down the sleeve. And step 12. Tidy up the equipment and tell the result of measurement to the patient.
Okay, sir. The blood pressure check for you has been complete. The blood pressure is 120/90. That means it is normal, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. You're welcome.